Nextiva versus Ringcentral, which VoIP provider is best? Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this video, we will compare the two leading contenders in the realm of business communication solutions, which is the Ringcentral and Nextiva. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, choosing the right communication platform is crucial for seamless operations and effective collaboration. And to create an account on this platform, you could also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. And now, let's start by knowing the feature comparison of Ringcentral. As you can see, Ringcentral offers a unified communication platform, voice, video messaging, and conferencing capabilities, integration with popular business apps like Salesforce, Microsoft 365, and Google Workspace. It also offers advanced call management features like call forwarding, screening, and recording. And it also has mobile app for on-the-go communication and team collaboration tools including file sharing and task management. And it also has analytics and reporting for monitoring communication trends and performance, and customizable IVR or interactive voice response system. It also has international calling options for global coverage. And it has scalable plans suitable for businesses of all sizes. Now moving on to features comparison of Nextiva. It offers VoIP or Voice over Internet Protocol phone system, in which it offers voice, video, and messaging features. It has call recording and monitoring capabilities, while integration with CRM systems like Salesforce and HubSpot. And it also has team collaboration tools such as chat and file sharing, and auto-attended and virtual receptionist functionality. It also has call routing and forwarding options, mobile app for remote communication, analytics and reporting tools for call data analysis, HIPAA compliant options for healthcare businesses. It also has scalable plans with customization options. Now moving on to pricing comparison, Ringcentral offers several pricing tiers including the Essentials, Standard, Premium, and Ultimate plans. And the pricing typically starts around $99 per user per month for the Essentials plan, and can go up to $49.99 per user per month for the Ultimate plan. And each plan includes different features and capabilities, with higher tier plans offering more advanced functionality. And Ringcentral also offers add-ons such as international calling, additional toll-free or local numbers, and enhanced analytics for an additional cost. Now moving on to Nextiva pricing comparison. Nextiva's pricing is also tiered, with options including the Essentials, Professional, and Enterprise plans. Pricing starts around $95 per user per month for the Essential plan, and can go up to $27.95 per user per month for the Enterprise plan. And like Ringcentral, each Nextiva plan comes with varying features and capabilities, with higher tier plans offering more advanced functionality. And Nextiva may also offer discounts for annual billing and may have promotions or special offers available. Now moving on to pros and cons of using Ringcentral is starting to its pros. In terms of comprehensive unified communications, Ringcentral offers a wide range of communication tools including voice, video, messaging, and conferencing, all integrated into one platform. And in terms of advanced features, Ringcentral provides advanced call management features like call forwarding, screening, and recording, as well as integration with popular business apps like Salesforce and Google Workspace. In terms of global coverage, Ringcentral offers international calling options and has a global presence, making it suitable for businesses with international operations. And in terms of mobile app, Ringcentral's mobile app allows for communication on the go, enabling remote work and enhancing productivity. While the cons of using Ringcentral in terms of pricing, Ringcentral's pricing may be higher compared to some competitors, especially for businesses with larger user counts or advanced feature requirements. And it has learning curve. Some users may find Ringcentral platform initially complex, requiring time to learn and fully utilize all its features. And its customer support. While Ringcentral offers customer support, some users have reported mixed experiences with response times and issue resolution. Now moving on to pros of using Nextiva. In terms of user-friendly interface, Nextiva is known for its intuitive and easy-to-use interface, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes, including those without dedicated IT resources. And in terms of customer support, Nextiva is often praised for its responsive and helpful customer support, offering assistance through various channels including phone, email, and live chat. And HIPAA compliance, in which Nextiva offers HIPAA compliant options, making it suitable for businesses in regulated industries such as healthcare. And in terms of customization, Nextiva plans are customizable, allowing businesses to tailor their communication solutions to their specific needs and preferences. And in terms of integration, Nextiva integrates with popular CRM system like Salesforce, providing seamless workflows for sales and customer service teams. However, the concept using Nextiva is that it has limited international coverage, while Nextiva offers international calling. Its global coverage may not be as extensive as some competitors like Ringcentral. And in terms of feature set, some users may find that Nextiva's feature set is not as comprehensive as other providers, especially for businesses with advanced communication needs. And in terms of pricing structure, while Nextiva's pricing is competitive, businesses may find that certain features or add-ons come at an additional cost, potentially increasing the overall price. But the question is, who should choose Ringcentral? Well, Ringcentral is an option for businesses in need of a unified communication solution with advanced features and worldwide coverage. Companies that value adaptability and growth will be drawn to Ringcentral because it can cater to users' number and feature needs. Moreover, businesses with operations or clientele can take an advantage of Ringcentral's calling capabilities and extensive global reach. Additionally, organizations seeking to streamline communication across platforms such as voice, video, messaging, and conferencing will find Ringcentral all-in-one system appealing. While cost may be a factor, businesses preferred to invest in a communication solution with a range of features and integrations will see Ringcentral as a valuable tool for boosting efficiency, teamwork, and customer interaction. But what about Nextiva? Who should choose Nextiva? Well, Nextiva stands out as an option for businesses that valued to use interfaces, dependable customer assistance, and personalized solutions that cater to their specific requirements. For the medium-sized businesses, Nextiva's user-friendly platform and responsive customer service making it an attractive choice, especially for organizations lacking dedicated IT support. Moreover, companies in regulated sectors such as healthcare might choose Nextiva for its HIPAA-compliant features, ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulations. Although Nextiva's global reach may not be as broad as some competitors, business focusing on operations can take advantage of its pricing and seamless integration with popular CRM systems like Salesforce. In essence, Nextiva is an option for businesses in need of a customizable and user-friendly communication solution that emphasizes customer service and regulatory compliance. Now moving on to their customer support, Ringcentral offers customer support via phone, email, and live chat, and it provides 24/7 customer support for urgent issues. And it offers online resources such as knowledge-based articles, tutorials, and user guides. But it has mixed reviews on response times and issue resolution, with some users reporting varying experiences. And it has dedicated account managers available for larger accounts. While Nextiva customer support is responsive and helpful, customer support often praised for its quality, in which it provides support via phone, email, live chat, and social media. It offers 24/7 customer support for urgent issues, and for comprehensive online resources including knowledge-based articles, video tutorials, and FAQs, with personalized assistance and account management, especially for larger accounts. But overall, Nextiva tends to receive more positive feedback for its customer support, with users often citing quick response times and effective issue resolution. However, both Ringcentral and Nextiva offer multiple channels of support and resources to assist customers with their communication needs. And now, in conclusion, when comparing Ringcentral and Nextiva, it's clear that both companies offer communication solutions tailored to business needs. Ringcentral provides a platform with features focusing on integrations, scalability, and global reach. In contrast, Nextiva offers a user interface, excellent customer support, and a full range of communication tools. But the decision between Ringcentral and Nextiva depends on each business requirements and priorities. While Ringcentral is great for versatility and integration capabilities, Nextiva stands out for its simplicity and customer service. Therefore, businesses should carefully assess their communication needs, budget limitations, and long-term objectives to choose the provider that best fits their goals. So that's just a comparison review between Nextiva and Ringcentral. Thank you.